Hey, I will quickly walk through how to uh, do POP3 setting of a Black Offer email into Google Gmail. Go to your Gmail, then in this setting icon, click on setting, go to all settings. When you go to all settings, there you should find a menu called account and import. Go to account and import. Under this, you must see something called check mail from other accounts. Let me delete those, whatever I had earlier. When you go to this, check mail from other accounts, under accounts and import, click on add a email, type the email ID that I created. So this email ID I will use for demo. Then click on next. Email, leave the email ID as it is. Then type the password. Save the mail.blackhopper.com as it is. Port 1110 should be fine. Don't check this. Don't check this. Just mark this. Label incoming messages as your email ID. Okay, and then add account. It will add account. It is done. Now go to next. Type your name and then click on next. Leave all the information as it is. Type the password. Make sure that this should be 465 SSL recommended, and then add account. After you this, it will ask for a verification code that is sent to your Gmail. I must have received an email from them. Let me check it. Okay. I got the confirmation email. Copy the code that you received and paste it here and click. So now the setting is done. You should be able to send and receive emails. Um, Before you do next step, go to general. Um, yeah, in the account and import itself, you can see that I have added this email here. Now it is visible, and the last thing that I had done, send email also. I can see the new added email here also. You can see. You should be able to see email, everything here. Um, so make sure that you check this option. Reply from same address the message was sent to. If you don't check this, then what will by default you will find this always reply from the default. Uncheck this and check reply from the same address the message was sent to. That's a simple thing. And then after you do all the things, mark that everything is saved. Go to inbox. You should be able to see the added email. Let me refresh it. See, I can see the added email. When you go to under drop down, you should be able to see the email that you added. And you can always change the email. Okay, and all of the email that you will receive on this email, it will be labeled as your email ID. That's a very simple thing to do and all. You can approach me for any clarifications whenever you need. Thank you.